Here's my supervisor, hard at work. she's supposed to be watching me. She's supposed to be telling me what to do, but no. There she goes. She's just off over there. Momi, you know, she's out there. She doesn't really want to help me. That's fine. I don't need her help anyways. This is a one-man show. What on earth is going on here? What am I going to be doing? Oh, I got my nail bag out, my knee pad, masking tape. Look at all this different masking tape. And a box there. Kaboom. What is that anyways? Oh, it's clear, 12 feet wide by 400 feet long. I don't need 400 feet. And this is painter's plastic. See there? Painter's plastic. This stuff is really thin too. 0.31 millimeters, I guess that is. And I didn't really need that much, and I thought, nah, I'm not going to get that. I wasn't going to get this because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. That was about 25 bucks. That wasn't that bad. And see, my ceiling from floor to ceiling is 9 feet. And the reason why I need that plastic and everything, we're going to start tearing this countertop out. And this countertop, as you will recall, if you've been watching my videos, this is tile. And it probably looked good 15 years ago when it was built, right? And see, it's got a layer of concrete underneath it. And then there's chicken wire underneath that, I'm sure. There's building paper underneath that, I'm sure. And then there's plywood. And that plywood is nailed over the top of the countertops. Across over here, we've got a cast iron sink. I'm going to have to disconnect that,